Alright guys, we just arrived at Cinema Roma right now. I want to watch Black Panther for the 800th time. Alright guys, I think this is where we're stopping right now after this long walk. We're getting in Cinema Roma. We're in Cinema Roma guys. This place is freaking amazing. I think this is like the first ever camera or something, I'm not sure.
Nope.
Amazing.
Guess what I'll be watching tonight?
Is this like the first camera?
I'll be watching.
Oh, let's see what's on tonight.
Man U versus Juventus.
Wait, isn't it a cinema?
Oh yeah, they play soccer too, don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's 23rd. What day are we today?
I think it's tomorrow.
No, today.
Today? This was on tonight. This was on tonight. Okay, let me go inside guys. Wait, this is the screen we're gonna be watching at?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. And this is where you
Why the f you lying? Why you always lying?
There's amazing artists right here. I can't name all of them, but I know.
This is Helen Meles.
Oh, this is Helen Meles. This is Yamane G.
This is the legend.
Oh, this is a salute to the legend, the one and only.
Abraham Aforte.
Let's see what we got over here. Oh, these aren't the American.
This is the famous model. What's her name?
Oh yeah. Oh, what's got her name?
Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah, Who? Chris Rock.
Eddie Murphy.
Eddie Murphy? Yeah. That's not Eddie Murphy.
It is Eddie Murphy.
Really?
Yeah, you can tell by his teeth. Zoom in.
Yeah, I think it's Eddie Murphy, I'm not sure.
It is Eddie Murphy. You can tell by his teeth.
Yeah. Yo, person who recognized us, how you doing, sir? How are you? Yeah.
Hi, sir. How are you doing?
Okay, great. It's our first time here in Eritrea, so yeah.
Okay, this is the first time?
Yeah, they're first time.
You arrived here maybe these days?
Yeah, we're staying for قلع 10 معلتكوف كنا بنقول.
Okay, that's very nice. So is there gonna be a show or something?
I don't know, maybe, we're not sure yet. We
This is
haven't.
the best place for a show by the way.
Really, yeah?
This cinema.
Inside over here?
This cinema, yeah.
Oh, okay. They do band shows and everything over here?
Yeah, not frequently, but
From time to time.
yeah.
Can we see it inside?
Yeah, I think you can have to the cashier.
It's nice meeting you. Thank
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So we literally just got recognized for the first time since we've like entered area. So we're gonna go in the cinema right now.
My first time being in cinema.
This is cinema.
It's so freaking dark, but it's amazing.
So حجتي مانشستر versus Juventus حابين عندي عمش.
تعب سكرين.
أبتي عبي سترين.
كنت تعطينا عني عندي تعبي تاني اشتكت دحين هنا.
Okay. وبكندي تي entrance تي ما توي.
ما يصيرش.
أسرع نغفى هو أسرع نغفى. That's good. Movie ألو? Movie.
No.
Okay, no problem.
When is the next match?
Juventus Manchester United at the 9.
Today, for tonight.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So we just went out of the cinema, and I think we'll be watching a match today, right?
Yes.
Are we watching it?
Yeah, we're watching a match.
Most likely we're gonna watch the match, and if we do actually end up watching it, we're gonna make sure to record it. This is the view from upstairs. I'm most likely sitting in that seat, and I'll be watching the match, which is gonna be right there. I'm really excited for it, to be honest. The capacity is 1,000 people. It holds like around 1,000 people. أبزيك concert قال خوني concert قال أبزي حلو فيها مش okay, that's beautiful. And you can see a live band performing right there, and this is the exit. This place is goals AF, man.
Beautiful.
Yeah, definitely. Yo, are you getting us today to watch the match?
Yes, we're gonna go watch the match today.
Can't wait.
I'm repping Manchester.
Repping Juvie the whole time.
Do you think Cristiano will play? Yes, he's playing. He might be playing. It's his second match, I think.
Yeah. No. I don't think he's playing, but I saw him training. So most likely he's gonna be playing. Or maybe he's just there to know, to just moral. And this is the exit, man. This place is goals AF.
Coming back tonight.
Definitely coming back tonight.